here we are. We're coming up on the Mississippi River. Mississippi River!
Oh! Is that appropriate?
Sure. We figured it's just monumental, the Mississippi River, so. You excited, Bolo? He's very excited. So here we are, Mississippi River. Oh, it's frozen.
Chunky.
Well, chunker.
Chunker. I'll look at the road.
That's good. Good job. Sort of see it overhead. Mississippi River. And then that means we are entering Iowa. So, I don't see a welcome sign for it, but I have to get a picture. Oh, that's nice. The GPS says we already crossed the state line and there's no sign on the bridge.
There was a sign that said Iowa Tourist Center.
Iowa Tourist Center, okay. I'm not so sure here. Now I'm bummed if we can't get this state.
Oh, well. I already missed Ohio.
Back to, yeah, she missed Ohio.
No, I think it's in here.
Oh, it's coming. Okay, gotta leave this. Bye.